Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil Spaces, and today we will be showing you a new feature in the video calling experience that is called pop-out video. Currently in Pencil Spaces, the video views are on the right-hand side of your screen where you have the option to collapse or expand the video and maximize the video view for a gallery view. Many of you requested pop-out video so that you could see your participants' video while you're browsing other tabs or windows or even other platforms. So today I'll be showing you how to use pop-out video. As you can see, Kiara and I have both joined a video call. If I click the three dots, you could see that we now have an additional option at the bottom that says pop-out video. When I click on this, I can immediately see a pop-up that says move call into the whiteboard. Keep in mind that when you turn on pop-out video, there will be a momentary interruption in your audio and video. Any screen shares and recordings will also be turned off, so you may need to reactivate them after pop-out video is turned on. So I'm going to click Open Pop-out. And now you can see that the video call in Pencil Spaces has been collapsed. I still have access to all of my video controls and the entire toolbar as I did previously, but if I go into my homepage, you could see that I now have a floating video box where I can see Kiara and I on the screen. If I want to turn this off, I can click back to tab. And now the video call is back in Pencil Spaces. Now let's demonstrate how this would look if I wanted to share a PowerPoint presentation during my video call in Pencil Spaces. So I'm going to click the three dots again. I'm going to click Pop-out Video, and I'll click Open Pop-out. Now you can see that I have a draggable video box around the whiteboard. I'm going to click Share Screen using the video toolbar in Pencil Spaces, and I'll select the window that I want to share. Kiara, can you see my screen now? Perfect. So now I'll go into the other tab that I want to share, and even though I have a slideshow in full screen, I could see Kiara's video as well as my own. You could also see that your own screen share is being shown, but if it is mirrored on your side, do not worry about this. It will not be mirrored in the participant's perspective. As per popular request, when you have pop-out video open, you can resize it to whichever size you'd like, and you can move it around your screen. And I can go through my PowerPoint presentation as I please. I could also go into any other tab or platform that I prefer. Whenever I want to turn off pop-out video, I can click back to tab over the video pop-out. So I'm going to click back to tab, and now my video box is in Pencil Spaces like it was originally. We hope that this video was helpful, and we encourage you to post any questions or requests in the comment section below. Keep in mind that we have 24/7 support, so you can always click the help button and get in touch with someone from our team. Don't forget to like and subscribe.